Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's how to start affiliate marketing on a low budget video, I'd like to show you how you can get started today with my affiliate marketing system for $5. And that's how I started this system when I first got going with the Warrior Plus marketplace. So I'm going to show you the journey that I've been on. I'm going to show you that this is a growing, profitable income stream and some proof of that. I'm also going to give you all the free tools and resources that I personally use to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. And this is a system where you can earn profitable passive income, and you can also earn multiple income streams as well, just promoting one link. So first of all, I'll just refresh the page, and that will just get us up to date with where we are today. So I'm live in my all-time Warrior Plus account. The right-hand column over here is the commission column, and so far the commissions I've earned are $11,650. The next column over here is sales, $23,216 in sales. And in the left-hand column over here, I've sold 2,597 products. And that is important because I'm going to show you how you can just promote that one link and earn multiple income commissions. I want to first of all take you on the journey and show you how this is a growing income and why it's a growing income as well. So we're going to go back to the beginning of the journey. Let's go back into, well, let's look at last year first of all. Let's just look at last year. So if we go on to Warrior Plus here last year, Warrior Plus is great. It gives you all the stats and data that you need so you can monitor your progress and just see how things are going. So this was from the 1st of January 2023 to the 31st of December 2023. And last year, commissions earned $5,600. Excuse me. So I want you to make just a mental note of that because we're going to be looking at three different figures here. Excuse me. Now let's go to the year before. Let's go to the year when I first started. So I joined Warrior Plus on the 1st of January 2022. And if we go to 31st of December 2022, and we click go, this will show you the first year's commissions. So this is the first year that I joined, from January the 1st to December the 31st. And you'll see there in the right-hand column, the commissions were almost $2,000. And then when we looked at last year, so you'll see the growth. Last year we went from $2,000 to $5,600. Now I'm promoting these offers with free traffic. And that's another important thing. We're going to look at the profit involved here. Now let's have a look at year to date. So we've gone from 2,000 to 5,600. If we have a look at this year, you can go down here. You go at year to date. And then what you can do is you can roughly work out, because these are monthly subscriptions that the members are paying. I pay them myself, but they are monthly subscriptions where you're going to be earning recurring payments. If you look down the right-hand side here, 20 months in a row. So if we go into our calculator, we've got so far this year, $4,093. Remember, last year was $5,000, so we're almost up to last year's figure, and we're just over halfway through the year. So you can roughly calculate it. If we go to 4,093, and then we divide that by how many weeks, 27 weeks into the year. So if we divide that by 27 weeks, then we're roughly on $151 a week in commissions. And if you times that number there by 52, you can get a rough estimation of how this year is going to look. So this year we're going to be approaching $8,000. So we've gone from 2,000 to 5,000 and now to 8,000 potentially this year. So let me just show you, if I get my little pencil out here, I'll just show you why this works really well. So the key thing with affiliate marketing is getting into profit. Now I'm going to show you the system. I'm going to give you the system that I use a bit later on. I promote 5 different products predominantly, sometimes a few more. And the cost of those is $35 a month. So if you times $35 a month, and there's no traffic cost because I just use, I do video marketing and I just use email marketing. And with those email marketing systems, I'm into profit with those as well. If you times that by 12, then that equals $420 for the year. So it costs me, my outgoings, $420 for the year, $420. And this is really where your profits come in. So what you can do, you can see here, if you're spending $420 a year and then you're earning, well, last year was, this year potentially 8,000, you can see the profit. Now the key thing with the profit is, that can become either lifestyle money where you can just spend it on yourself or with your family or your friends, or you can take that profit and you can reinvest it into promoting maybe a primary business or scaling up this system. You've got that option there because you're in profit. So the key thing with affiliate marketing is to get into profit, and that's what I want to show you here. So that's the figure so far. Now let's just have a look now at why this works and how it works. Let's go into all time, go back over here. So there's a few reasons why this system works, and one of the main reasons is the products we're promoting are in an evergreen niche, and that niche is traffic, and everyone needs traffic and they need more and more traffic. So if you're going to promote affiliate marketing products, then promote products that are going to be in demand and that everyone needs. So it doesn't matter if it's a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, traffic is a niche that everyone will be buying their products from. It's also a profitable passive income system because, like myself, I pay my monthly subscriptions. But if you look over here, if I scroll down, you'll see here, these are the recurring payments that are coming in every single month. So these are quite new. You get a high retention with these because a lot of the affiliates, a lot of the members like myself are becoming affiliates, and so they get into profit themselves and they stay with the program long term. You'll see there that member's been paying 20 months in a row, 9 months in a row, 11 months in a row. Some of these are quite new, 22 months in a row. If I scroll down, you'll see all the monthly recurring payments coming in, and these are where new members are joining because new people are coming online every day. Some people are buying the 6 months, some people are buying the yearly, but new people are coming online every single day, and they're looking for traffic to promote their offers to. So let's go back over here and have a little look here. Now the multiple income streams is where you promote one link. The great thing about Warrior Plus is you can earn high ticket commissions with these offers that I'm promoting, up to $850, and you don't even have to buy the high ticket products yourself. So when you become a member of these offers, the product owner will auto approve you to become an affiliate. So let's give you one example of that here. So this is John Cornetta. He's a co-owner of the click generator. See if we can get back to that page here. The click generator. Let's see if we can get back to that page there. Or maybe it's this one here. So the click generator. Now the click generator, you'll get your affiliate link when you join. You can join the click generator for $5 per month. If we go into the products, I'll just show you the products that John and his business partner Frank, they're traffic experts. So if any of your referrals buy any of these traffic products down here, you'd have to buy them yourself. You can if you want to build your business faster. But if you don't buy them yourself, you will still earn all these commissions in the right-hand column if any of your referrals buy these traffic products. And you'll see here there's one commission for $850. There's another one here for $600. There's one here for $150. So, and there's some lower ticket ones here. Now, generally in the industry, what happens is that usually when you want to promote a high ticket offer, the product owner actually insists that you buy that product first before they give you an affiliate link. But that's not the case with these Warrior Plus offers. And that's what I like about them. You can earn multiple income streams. You can earn high ticket commissions without even buying the product yourself. So that's a great way there to really boost your commissions and your sales. Now, there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. So I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. It's just for educational purposes only. Before I get to the system, I just want to briefly show you the funnels I've created and that I can give you for free. So this is an example of the Click Engine. You can have these funnels for free, and you can join Leads Leap, which is where they're hosted on. I do all the videos for you. I do all the selling and telling. So your prospect would put their email into there when you promote this funnel. They then get taken to a welcome page. So it's my complete Click Engine success system. I've done one of these funnels for each of the 5 products that I promote, so you can have each and every one. I update the commission-proof videos for you, so all you've got to do is promote that one link. And I show you on this page here, further down, I do video tutorials of how you can put your affiliate links into here. So you can clone these funnels completely for free. And if you stay a free member of Leads Leap, then you can even start list building and broadcasting with the email follow-ups that I give you. So really, really beginner friendly as well. You can also earn Leads Leap commissions. I'll just come over here and show you that briefly. My total income with Leads Leap is $1,429. So even as a free Leads Leap member, you put your affiliate link here into the funnel, and then if any of your referrals upgrade, even as a free Leads Leap member, you will earn monthly recurring commissions. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. You can clone these funnels really easily. If you are brand new, the video tutorials will take you through step by step. So this is the system that I've created here. I did call it how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It'll teach you how to earn profitable passive income, multiple income streams, and a lot more than that as well. So pin to the first comment below the video you're watching now, you can get free access to this system. Watch that video there. Again, it's perfect for beginners. If you're brand new, it's really easy to follow. And then if you've got any questions, you can always email me. My email address is always in the description. And you can join the products further down, or if you want more information on those. So we are almost out of time. I get 15 minutes on this free screen recorder. So if you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below. Please give me a like, click and subscribe. That'll support the channel. I appreciate that. And I do several new uploads every week. So if you want to see my how to make money online videos, then please click subscribe. And all the information, if you want to join and partner with me, is in the description, or if you just want to take a look and see what it's all about. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.